U.S. business owners, entrepreneurs, franchisee owners, and 1099 income earners. If you're making at least $100,000 gross in 1099 income, you could be saving five figures in state and federal taxes every single year with the Spendthrift Trust. It's legal. It's in the IRS tax code 643B. It comes from England way back when King Henry VIII, that famous king who chopped off his wives' heads, started the Church of England. He went to go tax the lords and ladies of England, and they went further back to the 13th century to the Magna Carta and said, oh, no, 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 King Henry VIII, you can't do this. It's contract law. It came to the colonies while we were still part of England. Our current tax structure went into effect February of 1913. It was only supposed to be around for a few years, but we got involved in World War I. The super rich families of 1913, the Rockefellers, the DuPonts, the Carnegies, and the Kennedys, made sure they could save taxes. Well, if they can save taxes, we can save taxes. Hi, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I became a real estate investor in late 2018 when my mom got sick. In 2019, with my mentor, I wholesaled 7 bank-owned properties nationwide, paid off $184,000 in debt, and had $50,000 sitting in my bank account for capital gains. Everything shut down because of COVID. On April 4th of 2020, my CPA called to congratulate me to say my tax bracket, because I made so much money, in 2019 went from 22% to 24%, and I personally owed the federal government $94,000 in short-term capital gains. I didn't have it and cried myself to sleep. A great book to read is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. I woke up at 5 a.m. on April 5th and knew I was going to contact a friend who did HELOCs to take a HELOC off my paid-off house. And then I had read an article about the Rockefellers Spendthrift Trust. This is legal. It's in the IRS tax code 643B. I work for a private law firm that was started 78 years ago by a Harvard law professor. He wrote 5 separate trusts, and today we're talking about the business trust. In 78 years, not a single trust has ever been audited. Now his grandson and great-grandson run the law firm, and they'll defend you free of charge if you get questioned by the IRS. It's only happened once in 78 years. To give you an idea, if you are making 1099 income, you could be making $100,000 gross, you could be saving 5 figures in taxes. This example came from a business broker. He's on my affiliate program. He brought the client who was selling his HVAC business and the client who's buying the HVAC business. And the client who's buying it knew that in 2024,